Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start in settings on your Huawei Nova 3i. Open display or display and brightness right away. This is where screen timeout lives. You want to change how long the screen stays on so you can save battery or prevent accidental taps. Tap the sleep or screen timeout entry to reveal the list of durations. Make sure you pick a setting that balances convenience with battery life, shorter for battery savings, longer when using maps or reading. Once the timeout list appears, you'll see options from short to long durations. Choose one that fits your use case. Tap a shorter time like 15 seconds to extend battery, or pick a longer time if you read or watch media frequently. After selecting, the change applies immediately, but you should test it. Leave the phone idle and observe when the display turns off. This confirms the setting works and helps you fine-tune if it's too short or too long for daily use. Finish by locking the phone and letting it sit to verify the new timeout behavior. Unlocking confirms success. If you don't see sleep or screen timeout, use settings search and type sleep or screen timeout to locate it. If the option is missing or the screen still behaves oddly, restart the phone and check for third-party apps or battery optimization rules that override screen settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.